It's Singer. Oh my gosh, you can see The Sims for a little bit. Like, wabam. It's noticeable now. It's noticeable. But, oh no, one of my phones. No! Well, that's a great, that's a great start to, video. Okay, I did something. Let me pick up my phone. Oh, wait. Gotta put it back together. Oh no, she broke it. She broke it. No, I got this. Oh. Maybe I don't. She won't fit. She won't fit. There we go. We good. Oh, no. Oh, I don't deserve to have a phone. I treat it very badly. I did some stuff off camera. A lot of stuff. I think I put the windows on the wrong way, but who cares? Right? Yeah, I'm right. And so I created this, and yes, there's a woohoo bed. Don't ask why. Well, my Sims have trouble going woohoo in their own bed, so I make them do it outside because it's easier. And plus, oh, don't look at this. And plus, we need go down. Okay. So apparently, a Sim is dying in here. Okay. A Sim is dying in here, which probably stinks. And so, what my biggest challenge that I want to do is, I want to fill up the whole entire room with these things. But I also want to make a pathway over here to the dungeon type thing. But it's a pretty nice dungeon. I do want to add some pretty plants. And I don't think I have showed you. Oh yes. I decorated the house a little bit more with some of the plants because I'm such a plant person. And I decorated the kitchen some just to fill it up, and you know. And I think it looks so awesome because you got one plate here. Oh, my thing. And I thought this was the coolest thing. I didn't try to make it too girly or too boyish. I just made it like, oh, it's a little bit homey, you know. And I did add some pink. And then I added like a, what is that? It's like a dog type thing. And then you have the little cat, which I call Noodles. Okay, of course you don't know Noodles. But Noodles was my old cat that I had. She passed away because, you know, her lungs were giving out, but it was that. It was emotional. But we have her in the, not the body, the, what do you call it? The ash. And then we got her little paw print, some of her hair. I will just show you guys sometime. But I was crying. Everybody was crying, and then I got to hold her. Yeah, long story. It like happened in 2004, 2015. I think 2015. I'm not quite for sure. but she was a very old cat. And she looked just like that. Except the face. Just the cover. And this do not look like her. Oh, you know what I should do? I used to have this lab. Her name was Kaka. And we had to get rid of her because we were going to another house that didn't allow dogs. And my heart was so melting, like I cried and cried, like, oh, I didn't want her to go, but then we gave her to my brother, which he gave her to their stepmom, well, like stepmom and dad. So if you don't, I'm not gonna get into my family because it's kind of personal, not really. But okay, I will tell you this short story. Basically, my mom was pregnant with Tristan, and she was like 19. And at that time, you know, she wasn't with my dad. And so she gave birth to stuff, and they woke up, and she found my other man, and then created my other brother, and then me. Good. But I swallowed it. Okay, good. So that's kind of like my family. And then, yep. Oh, okay, I forgot what I was here for. My dog did not look like that. It was all black. I can't find it. There's no black. Okay, we will just pretend this is Kaka. Kaka was all black. And so, you know, I have great memories. I don't know if Kaka is dead. She probably did, but, you know. And then I would be like, Dad, you know, tell me about more of Kaka's stories or whatever. And I remember we were choosing a name for Kaka, and they were giving me names, and I was like, I don't know. And then I said Kaka, you know. And I have a other cat, which is what do I call him? She's at my aunt's house, which she is moving, and she has a daughter, which I put her in a video one time of reacting to K-pop. So they're moving, the dad is staying at the house, and yeah. So I have a cat named Pinky there. Pinky is a very old cat. I haven't seen him since last year. I'm pretty sure last year. And I miss him so much. But sometime I will meet him. Don't know if he will remember me, but I am his real owner. I just couldn't take him to my house because, you know, they didn't really want cats. They only allowed noodles. Noodles were there that time. And so I had Pinky for the longest time. And he's a boy. And my dog is barking! Yay! And my aunt is here. Hello. She goes so crazy over my aunt. Okay, whatever. So I'm not gonna say their names because privacy. So yeah, so you know a little bit more of my family. My family is so crazy. And so I have a new cousin. I forgot her name. Her name is so hard to pronounce. She is a girl. But you know, like a lot of my family members. I'm getting a lot of cousins now, which I am not too happy about. And I didn't tell you guys this, but I am going to be an aunt. And so, yep. So I'm gonna be an aunt. They don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, but I have this strong feeling it's going to be a girl. So that's what I think. I think it's going to be a girl. Yep. So which is my older brother's girlfriend. And yeah, my family. I have a large family. So that explains why you're probably so pumped. You are probably so confused. Uncle and okay, whatever. I can't even talk. But I raised her up and I got her pregnant. And this is the dad that's cleaning up. So, yes. I'm sorry if I talked a lot and didn't play a lot. Really. My aunt is coming that way. I can't see her because I'm in. Every time I go up. Oh, but there she goes. What I was going to say. I forgot. Oh, I know. Sorry for talking a lot and not playing. I usually play and stuff, but not really. This is just kind of like a talk. And here's the mom. She had her second baby. And this is her baby. This is a baby boy, and I named him Drew because he's so cute. I just like the name Drew. So cute. So let me go over the family. So Sky, and then okay, we can save it for another time because I don't want to say him. So he was the baby daddy to her. Oh my god. So he's the father of her because he got her pregnant. Yep, and so we are killing him today. Yep. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. And like, why wouldn't you subscribe to me? I'm awesome. Okay, no, I'm cringy, not awesome. But yeah, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and yeah, bye, I guess.